Okay, we are in the kids' kitchen today, but we're not going to cook. Today, our kids will go in the kitchen and they're going to clean up the mess they made. See, there's cooking. There's the messed up kitchen. Let's repair it. There's certainly a mess. Look at all that. We've got a dirty refrigerator and a dirty stove, a trash can. So, first, let's repair the table. And then we have to put this bowl back together. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece. It's all glued together. And our chair is broken. We'll hammer the chair leg back on. Next, we need to clean the sink. Oh my, look at all these dirty dishes. That's from our pasta. Let's open the dishwasher. Put the fork in the rack. Put the knife in and put in the filthy spoon. 1 plate, 2 plate. Let's close the dishwasher and turn it on. Take 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and our dishes are clean. We'll open it up and put back the spoon, the knife, the fork. 1 plate, 2 plate. We've cleaned the dishes. Next, we want to clean the stove. Ooh, look how dirty. Let's take our rag and scrub all the dirt up and down and then back and forth. Sometimes if it's really bad, you go in circles. Look how shiny and clean. Our stove is beautiful. Let's turn it on and make sure. Oh, no, we're not turning it on. Someone pulled off the timer button. Now let's put together our stove grate. 2 pieces. Nope. That piece goes there. And that piece goes there. Now our stove is all connected. Ooh, our burners are full of gunk. We'll use a push pin to clean the gunk out. That way everything cooks nice and evenly. Did we get them all? We did. So our stove is beautiful and clean and ready for our next meal. And now should we clean the microwave, the refrigerator, the countertop, or what's this? Let's try that. It looks like our counter is just all torn up. First, let's get rid of the old broken pieces. We use a chisel to chisel out the broken pieces of tile. We have our counter cleared, and now we must put new caulk on top. And finally, we will place our tiles. Do we want purple, orange, green, blue, or pink? I think we'll go with the blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've repaired the counter. So now we've cleaned the stove, done the dishes, fixed the countertop. Let's clean our microwave. Oh, it's filthy. We have to take a rag and scrub down the front and scrub down the door. Now it looks better. Let's fix the fan. We have to connect the red wire, connect the green wire, connect the blue wire, and there it's running. Now we need to put the gears back in place. Put that one right there. See, now they're spinning perfectly. Our fan is working. Let's close the door and test it out. Okay, we've done a lot, but let's clean that disgusting refrigerator. Oh, look how gross. First we need to scrub down the outside. Scrub in circles. Make sure you get all the filthy dirt. Perfect. Oh, now we have to look inside. Oh, yuck. Let's clean the door first. Get all the yuck off the door shelves. Ew, look at this. Old fruits and vegetables. A tomato's actually a fruit, so let's get rid of that first. 1 tomato. 2 disgusting rotten tomatoes. Now the carrots. 1 carrot. Look how happy our trash can is. 2 carrot. 3 carrot. 1 icky onion. 2 icky onion. 3 icky onion. There we go. And now our refrigerator is clean. The last thing we have to do in our kitchen is clean up the floor. Ah, look, watermelon on the floor. An old apple. Let's feed our trash can. A slice of pizza. A banana peel. And I think this is part of a pineapple. Now our floor is all cleaned up and our kitchen is perfect.